Hi, welcome to the scrapyard. I'm Red. Um, got a mail call, shop card shout out. Not much progress on anything. I made a little bit of progress on my Fiat, but you can't really tell it. Um, anyway, I want to shout out to Mike over at Scale Model Outlaw. Up, turn this around where it gets better. There we go. There we go. That's better lighting. Mike over at Scale Model Outlaw. He does some really nice work, man. He all kinds of hot rods and stuff. It's a double-sided shop card, y'all. I really like that side of it. I'm gonna put that up on the wall. All right. That said, I got a few stash ads. This one for the scrapyard. It's a rebuilder. Monogram 55. It's blue. And I would leave it blue. The paint's actually pretty good, except he didn't do no damn prep, man. So it's got parting lines and everything down under it. So, so yeah, that's one for the pond. Everybody's seen this kit. It's the old Bad Man kit, re-engineered, released as a street free. Everything's in it. Looks like, anyway. But there's that. Now these next four I got is a lot. For about what the price of a single kit would be. Get in there. Matter of fact, I was only bidding on one of the kits in it, man. There was only one of them in it that I really wanted. The other three are alright. One of them's pretty good. This is pretty good. I kind of wanted this kit. 59 Ford Galaxy, Skips Fiesta. Nobody really wants these kits, man, because it's got that multi-piece body in it. But I'm gonna give it a go and see if I can pull it off. It's going in the stash for now. I'll eventually get around to it, I guess. But that's open but sealed inside. All four of these were sealed inside. Well, all these next five were sealed inside. But and I got this. Don't know what I'll do with this. That's never one that's really attracted me much. But like I said, it's all sealed inside. I might do something with it, but for now it's going in the stash. Another one for the stash. I've always liked to look at this thing. Never been motivated to buy one, but I've always liked to look at it. Kind of looks like a modern rendering of a Bugatti, I think. But this next kit, this is the reason I bought this lot. This right here, the Revell Mickey Thompson Challenger. You'll never get it look like that if you build it out of the box. This is from the everything opens, nothing closes era. I mean, there's a reason how come it's shown with everything open on the box art. What I bought this for, this kit is a pretty damn good parts kit, man. It's a parts box all in one kit. This was sealed inside. I opened it up. You get 4 Pontiac 383s, 4 37 LaSalle transmissions, body parts, body parts, body parts. Yeah, more parts to those 383s. Body parts. This edition has a tiny Mickey Thompson in it. So that makes this the one to get. It's those little skinny salt-like tires. More body parts. Anyway, you get 4 blown 383s, 4 LaSalle transmissions, at 37 LaSalle transmission. That was one of the go-to items if you was building a hot rod back in the late 50s, early 60s. 4 quick change rear ends. You know, and plus all kinds of other speed goodies. Now, what my thoughts was, I'm gonna rob all the neat, nifty parts out of this kit, the engines and the transmissions and stuff. Let me just check them engines out, the detail it's got in them. But I'm gonna rob the engines and the transmissions and the rear ends out of it and build this as a curbside, because that's the only way you're going to get it slick enough to look like it does on the box top. You know, like I said, this is from the everything opens, nothing closes era. So there's no way all that stuff's going to fit inside that body. Alright. Now I got this. This is a little out of my wheelhouse, but it was a really good deal on it. Oh, about to escape. It was a really good deal on it. So I got it. I mean, it's a really good deal, especially compared to what these kits go for. This one's all sealed inside too. A little bit out of my wheelhouse, but it looks like a nice kit. I mean, I don't know how the Revell trucks are, but you know, just going by what I saw in the bags, man, it looks really nice. I haven't built any big trucks ever. I mean, closest thing is that L700 I'm working on, and you can't exactly call that a big truck, man. It's more of a day hauler, you know, day cab type deal. It's got a sleeper and everything on it. But that's all I got for today. If anybody wants a shop card, I still got plenty of shop cards. That comes complete with a pointer tip on the back of it. But if anybody wants a shop card, just drop me an email, redscalescrapyard@gmail.com. The address is also in the description. I like hearing from everybody. I mean, I might be slow to turn around sometimes, and I'm a slow ass builder. I don't want to get anything done, but yeah, you know, if you enjoy this, you know, what the content I put out and everything, like, subscribe, ring that little bell, and share it with people. Share it on other things. Trying to get to 500, you know, just cause I can, you know, I'm getting close. Anyway, that's all I got for today, and y'all enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.